Okay, so here we are again. We're finishing up the last couple of stages of our prosciutto and bacon wrapped scallops, along with our basil whipped mashed potatoes and our citrus sage butter sauce. So, we've taken a liberty, take red bliss potatoes. Now we're going to quarter these. 1, 2. That's it. 1. Oh, don't slip away. 1, right? And basically, whenever you want to know if your potato is done, you know the golden rule. Point in. If it falls out, it's done. Quarter these up, throw them in on chef terms, if we want to say a rough cut, that's all we're doing. We're giving these a rough cut to kind of break them down so we don't have to worry about all the play when we start mashing these little puppies up. So, here we are, just finishing up on our potatoes. Now, it's very important whenever you're doing potatoes, you know they're going to soak up a lot of water, so you have to drain them. You got to keep them at a even consistency as far as how they're being cooked. Quarter them up. Look at that. These are my son's favorite potatoes right here. These are basil, cheddar, extravaganza. So, these are potatoes right here. I'm going to sit them to the side. We've already quartered them. Now, here's the thing. I want you to know that you can either do this roasted or mashed, however you like it. So, me, I like them mashed. If you're doing something a little bit more on the healthy side, you can always go with roasted. Dredge them a little bit, olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. You already know that, of course. And then from there, just bring it back home, pop them in the oven for about 30 minutes, and you're there. So we're on to our next step with our basil red skin mashed potatoes.